happening, and we drove by with smoke, and there was burning pieces of paper and insulation from the building flying out everywhere. It's a big fire. They had to replace all the glass in the building, and they couldn't match it to the other 4 buildings in the complex. See, when you drive by, you can tell which one it is with the glass is there. He came in too low, so he hit the right below the ground level. The building's up on a mesa, I guess you say. They built it up. And if he would have been another several foot higher, he'd have gone into the building and killed a lot more people. So it was lucky that he didn't do that.
Because we were out there and working. NCIS called. They actually got my number and called me and was asking us questions.